So what about that homemade barbecue sauce? I'll show you, but there's no recipe. So 1 can of tomato paste. This is organic, although I'm not sure if it really is organic. We have our pork broth from the pulled pork Boston butt roast. I was able to get 2 pints from that roast. So we're going to make barbecue sauce for the pulled pork. All I'm going to do is, and that door actually tried to seal, I'm going to use this can and I'm going to fill it up with the broth. Dump it into the tomato paste. And you want to save your broth in case you need a little more liquid than that. Turn my heat on low just to get it all heated up good. We're going to add some garlic powder. Just a little bit left in there, so we're going to use all of it. Some minced onions. You could also use fresh onions. A little bit of cayenne, which is optional. We're going to add some of our homegrown dehydrated bell peppers. Just going to sprinkle some in there till it looks right. That looks good. We're going to add some of our organic honey. Probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Some liquid smoke. Not a whole lot of that, just a good little splash. Now we're just going to give this a stir. And since our pulled pork has already been salted and peppered, I will have to do a taste test to see if it has enough salt in it. But I know we can't have too much pepper, so I'm going to add a little pepper to that. Oh my goodness, if y'all could smell this, y'all would be in heaven. I promise you, you wouldn't want to buy anything off the shelf at the store. So all I'm going to do is let it simmer and heat it up for a little bit. I'm going to taste it. Absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to let that cook down for about 5 more minutes and pour it into our pulled pork. And it's just that simple to make homemade barbecue sauce. And of course you could add some more spices and different ingredients if you would like. But this is just a simple little barbecue sauce.